friend who had a sick baby.
Yes.
And insurance was supposed to pay, and the baby was taken into ICU. And you see, ICU, the money accumulates very fast, day after day.
Yes.
Then at the time of need, insurance comes up and says, this condition, we can no longer cover it. Or we can only cover up to this amount, which is even way less than what you expected.
The insurance also sometimes need to have the aspect of human heart. They decline, they tell the client to pay a half.
Yes.
And the full premiums are fully paid on time. The cover is running. So the client remains like, but I paid my premiums.
Yes.
What mistakes people make in life insurance, Anna, is more or less violating the contract. That is why now we find it. You subscribe for a 10 years or a 5 years. You want your money after past year.
That one is rejected.
It's painful. It's painful. That claim will be rejected.
Kenyans fear insurance.
Yes.
What is this one thing that they fear?
Now, Kenyans, I think if I dig deep,
yeah,
Kenyans fear insurance basically on so many trajectories. From the knowledge disseminated from their maybe parents, ancestors, like it's a transitional thing. Because back in the 90s, insurance was bad.
And the topic today is about insurance. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on which part of the world you're watching us from. My name is Damarcline, the voice behind Rising Roots platform. Call it channel, call it media, but we are here and our aim is always to educate, evoke growth, inspire transformation, and we hope that we will reach as many as possible. And today's guest is the topic we are set to discuss is something beyond imagination. It's something that you could not even think of that it could be discussed anywhere else, because we have wired our mind to think it's business. It's someone coming to get your money. And the topic today is about insurance. And we have a friend here who has decided to come and educate us. Kutoa hiyo ignorance tuko nayo about insurance. So we want to talk about insurance at large, and we hope that today we do the introduction, be it clear a few misconceptions here and there, and probably, God willing, tomorrow in our next episode we could now break it down to different aspects, because insurance is very broad. And at this moment I would love to give my guest the opportunity to introduce himself. Please tell us who you are by names. What are some of the things we need to know or to understand about you, so that as you talk about insurance, we say, okay, already tunamjua. Probably you could tell us family-wise, are you a family person? You could tell us career-wise, is it just insurance? There is something what you feel comfortable sharing. Karibu sana.
Asante sana. My name is Richard Harold Onyango. I manage Richbert Insurance Agency. Spanning with about now, we're doing our 10th year now in terms of experience. When I came to Nairobi, this is back in 2015. I had just done my diploma in journalism, mass communication.
Oh, wow.
So when I landed in Nairobi,
totally a different field.
Totally different field.
Yes.
What can I do? In terms of communication, I'm good. So I looked for a few friends who are in Nairobi by then.
Yes.
We engaged. Some were working. I got somewhere to start my first occupation. I was doing it's called internship these days. I was doing a camera person, videos, just on an ordinary daily basis. Sometimes I go work, sometimes there's nothing to be done.
We need to bring you here to be our cameraman one day.
Of course.
Yes, okay.
So once I got into this career, I did it to about 3 months. That was cameraman,
Yeah.
a videography kidogo. So once I got into this aspect, there was this loophole. Within the place I was working,
Yeah.
there was I would call it an intermediary who used to come and talk to my boss about something called insurance. So I was wondering, what is insurance? What is insurance? So in the cover, there is this aspect of liabilities cover, whereby if there's a theft somewhere,
Yeah.
and a burglary, there is a property stolen, the insurance remunerates this claim by cash. They pay the insured. The insured here was my boss.
Yes.
So I got interested in. I took his number. After 3 months, I got into the industry.
To the industry.
Because now he was training me chini ya maji.
Okay.
Hapa na pale, you do this is what it helps. So I got into the insurance, learning a lot of things. That is from, the insurance is wide. I thought it was just the word insurance, which covers only buildings, or people go to hospital and they are treated, they have insurance. I found something different.
Deeper.
So in my observation, I wanted to observe what is the solution that we give from the insurance aspect.
Yes.
That's where I got myself in the insurance industry.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. But now we need to know you kidogo. Kuna introduction bit hapo hivyo, Harold.
Yes.
We want to know. You're Harold. You said you came to Nairobi. Where did you come from?
I was doing my diploma in Mombasa Poly.
Oh, Mombasa.
Yes. That's where I did
Shifted to Nairobi.
Then I shifted to Nairobi. I came to Nairobi. I found totally different environment. People are just busy.
Inaitwa culture shock.
Culture shock indeed. People are busy. Left, right. People are just moving left, right.
And Mombasa is a relaxed place.
Relaxed. Ana haraka.
Wow. Sawa. Now, you have said, so when you had someone talk about insurance and you got interested,
yes.
What interested you? Is it the fact that you also wanted to be insured, or immediately you thought of, this is something I can pursue as a career?
Yes. Once this part of claim, we call them claim. I know these days they call it claim.
Yes.
When this was sorted, my boss was so happy.
Okay.
So in my trainings,
yes,
the person who nurtured me to the industry,
yes,
told me this is a solution provider.
A solution.
Basically, it's kind of a solution you are providing.
Yes, to people.
On behalf of the company. So when you advise Mr. Richard to take this cover, you are advising them to avoid a certain risk being pegged on them.
Wow.
So that solution was a very, very, very good solution for my boss by then.
Yes.
So it sorted him. He was very happy.
Yes.
Now, from then, I never looked back.
Wow. So maybe I will tell you later how we met with Harold. For now, there is this, because when you mentioned insurance, I was like, oh no, apana. And I'm sure so many people outside here have a certain misconception about insurance.
Yes.
Now, having you here, a 10-year expert about insurance, could you, in simpler terms, explain to us what is insurance and how important is it? Why should we listen to you today?
Yes. That's a very good, a good discussion for this interview.
Yep.
Because insurance, we look it from the aspect of a risk mitigation aspect. Anything you own,
yes,
there is the law of subrogation, which actually means if I own a cup and it is stolen, I still don't have the funds to replace it immediately.
Okay.
So, being an insurance expert, I would put it in an aspect, you pay someone to protect your cup. Once it's stolen, you tell them it was stolen and you need it back.
Yes.
So they'll pay you another cup. So it's a risk transfer kind of. Yes.
It's a risk transfer.
That is more or less the simplest.
Yes.
You have transferred the risk for someone to check for you in case there's something that is missing.
Yes.
With the documentation, you can prove it was stolen. So they replenish, replace the cap for you
Yes.
without spending any penny because you
Okay.
had paid some amount.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what I'm getting is it's about compensation. It's about we are getting into a contract.
Yes,
It's about me and you, both of us are likely to benefit in this.
exactly.
Is it really benefiting
It's-
or
it's-
it's returning me to where I was?
Yes, that is we in
Financial.
insurance we define it as a subrogation.
Okay.
Yes, this is a term whereby mostly for the claims, it's returning you to status you are in. If this cap is stolen,
Yes.
I have less. I'll only have one or
Yes.
two.
Yes.
But now the insurance will come in. Oh,
and return it.
this one we are paying.
Okay.
Yes.
And after that, do I continue paying them, returning
No.
them the money?
Once they
Pay.
pay you a cap, upon renewal, they look into the risk you gave them. If they
Yes.
can load you,
Yes.
or if they cannot load you,
Yes.
because maybe it was miscellaneous pay.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So just again to break it further, if this is my phone,
Yes.
you said this is where we insure property.
Property.
So what I own.
Yes.
So I own a phone here.
Yes.
I come and insure it.
Yes.
Today we sign, it's a contract, right?
Yes.
We sign a contract, you tell me to be paying this amount of money,
Money.
over a spread period of time.
Exactly.
So I start paying today.
Yes.
I insured it against theft. If it's stolen, you will compensate it. You will pay me. Sindio?
Very good question.
Okay. What if my phone now, I break it, it falls down and breaks and it's beyond repair? Will you still compensate me, or you stick to the contract? Theft.
Theft is defined.
Yes.
Breakage is not defined in insurance. Breakage
Okay.
is now a liability on your side.
On my side.
On your side, as the consumer or as the owner.
Okay.
But if it was stolen
Yes.
inside your house,
Yes.
and there's a physical proof the door was tampered with,
Okay.
the windows,
Yes.
claim accepted.
Claim. Okay. Can I also insure it against kuanguka, ianguke ivunjike? Is that a
Though
policy?
it will be loaded.
It will be what do you mean by that?
Loading means now the actuarist back office will sit
Yes.
down and actuate figures
Yes.
close to, if we are asking you about this amount,
Yes.
we are now going to add some few coins
Yes.
on top so that you enjoy optional, it is optional.
Yes.
Optional benefits in case of theft, breakage, because sometimes of the
Okay.
phones, they are very expensive.
Okay.
So you pay a certain
Yeah.
amount
Yes.
additionally based on the premium. Someone will pay this, but you are paying optional
Yes.
A, B, and C
Yeah.
to cater for theft. Even sometimes the charging system
Yes.
erratic. Yes.
Okay. You've said it's about property.
Yes.
Harold, if I don't own any property, I have nothing. Why should I listen to you today? Sina gari, I don't have a building vehicle, nothing to insure. What should I listen? Why should I listen to you?
Yes, I would call the insurance so much wide. Insurance covers from the landlord,
Yes.
tenant,
Oh,
yes,
Wow.
property owner, anybody who has access to any premise, be it a building,
okay.
business person, premise, mali where you live, you would like to insure. I'll simply do your quotation based on, are you a landlord or are you a tenant? In that aspect, I think it will answer now the question they're talking about.
Okay.
Now, under the domestic package, we call
Yes.
it domestic. We cover everything, electronics, provided you give us a list of everything you owned
Yes.
from point A to point B, mpaka mlango ifungwe. We give you a quotation.
Yes.
They are much slight cheaper than a landlord, because the landlord will insure the whole
Property.
building. The building might be expensive. Maybe an apartment can be 20, 40 million. They insure it. It's different from you insuring your small 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom,
Okay.
or a bungalow.
All right.
Yeah.
Wow. So I can insure as low as 20K if my house is worth 20K.
That is.
Oh.
They don't insure the house 20K. They insure the contents
That are in.
that are in
case they are stolen?
of fire, theft, and burglary.
Okay. I understand.
Yes.
Totally. Okay, we move on to our next question now. So now we come back to Kenyans and we are like, Kenyans fear insurance.
Yes.
What is this one thing that they fear?
Now Kenyans, I think if I dig deep,
Yeah.
Kenyans fear insurance basically on so many trajections from the knowledge disseminated from their maybe parents, ancestors. Like it's a transitional thing because back in the 90s, insurance was bad.
Bad.
It was bad in bad names, bad books, because of some people lost money. It was some guys
Yes.
came with pyramid schemes, stolen
Okay.
people's money.
Yeah.
So when IRA was formed, Insurance Regulatory Authority, which is actually the prefect body for the insurance, back then it was not existing.
Okay.
So insurance had to transform
Yes.
from the kind of the rogue ones to a professional aspect, whereby we are trying to delete the bad books, the bad names, and putting on the right side, that is on the white side or the transparent side. That's why we are trying to be on a professional side, whereby you give the correct information to
Yes.
every aspect of asked. If it's a question, you answer is with supporting information. Yeah, because priorly it used to exist in bad books in terms of money lost, claims not paid, because claims is what build an insurance name's reputation. Yes.
Okay. Now, as you speak to me as an adult now, let me assume I'm the adult in the house. That's a joke. Okay.
Yes.
What types of insurance would you advise me to take? Just by mentioning, I know if you go into explaining each one of them, it can take a whole day.
Okay. This question aspect,
Yes.
I'll spread it into 3 or 4 aspects.
Okay.
Insurance is wide. We have motor insurance, we
Yes.
have medical insurance, we have life assurance, we have general insurance,
Yes.
which is also called non-motor insurance, which actually deals with is the wider aspect of general insurance. So, in your daily activities, do you move from point A to point B?
Yes.
Do you have a dependent?
Exactly. Yeah.
Do you have a property? If maybe you don't have a property, but you are aspiring to be a property owner,
Oh, yeah.
you start training yourself.
Yes.
Now would start. In an aspect, you will need a medical insurance. That
Medical
for
insurance.
consideration for a person with a dependent. Might not be directly, might be your parents, your siblings. You just
Relative.
can't live without medical insurance. And then you spice it up. At your place of work, your employer has insured you
Yes.
in case of anything. Let's say accidents, they do occur, unajitegua kwa stairs, the employer gives you a leave. Go to medical facility, you get treated for free. That is insurance.
Okay.
So if you are supported by your employer, you don't need a personal medical insurance. If you have a group medical insurance,
Yeah.
because it will be a repetition. Remember, they can't
Double.
pay twice. If you have an existing medical insurance, your employer will be liable to give you medical treatments.
Yeah.
So if in a nutshell you want to approach your company again, that you have another one, they'll do a common pooling. What is huyu analipa hivi, huyu analipa hivi, bill is out you. Contribute.
It's not like I will benefit twice, but I've been paying twice.
I know. They'll give a portion, this side a portion as well.
So it's me to suffer in the long run.
No, not you suffer. You'll never pay any money again, but they'll collaborate within to pay your bill.
But you see, if I have an insurance with my employer, he is paying,
Yes.
and I'm paying another one here, it means I'm contributing twice.
This is additional in case that one is exhausted.
If assuming we are meeting for the first time on the road and somewhere in an office, I'm looking for insurance, I've bought property. Now, how do I tell that Harold is a genuine person from an agent? Okay, there are agents who work, yes, but how do I tell that this agent is honest, genuine, I can trust them from another one?
Yes. I will explain it from the professional aspect.
Yes.
We are all licensed agents in Kenya.
Licensed.
Licensed agents. Our names are published on IRA page every annual year. So this one puts it clear so that if you know Harold
Yes.
by names, you can walk to IRA, query a complaint against Richard Harold Onyango
Okay.
as an insurance agent.
Okay.
No matter the company he works for, he or she works for. That is.
Wow.
Yes.
That's great, because now you're sure you're dealing with someone
Yes.
who cannot run away.
Cannot run away
Yes.
because they have our information. They will simply do a website notification.
Yes.
If I'm deregistered, you'll know. If I'm not active, you will know from IRA portal.
Okay. And
because
it's
these are
available.
available.
Can be accessed by the members of the public.
Any time of the day, you walk into IRA website,
Yeah.
you download active agents, insurance active agents in Kenya.
Oh, okay.
You look by name. Richard,
Wow.
how many are they? You go specific one.
What does it take for you to get that license?
You have to be certified by IRA.
Yes.
You go to College of Insurance
Training.
training. 2 years.
Wow.
2
It's a
years
serious
training.
thing.
It's a serious thing because we are trained to be in good books as
Yes,
well, as I
yes.
said before. The previous insurance existing in Kenya back then,
Yes.
it was not well in system. It was
Yes.
not well documented.
Yeah.
Currently, we have a lot of stakeholders, the investments the government is making, plus the other stakeholders that are coming in.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, that makes it very nice, because now the training, do you sponsor yourself, or you're sponsored by the insurance?
You sponsor yourself.
Okay, for 2 years.
Yes.
That makes it great, huh? And the fact that we can access your names to tell that this is, I'm dealing with a licensed guy, not just a con man. So
Yes.
if you're deregistered, what takes for you to be deregistered?
You have to, it's more or less either you have a criminal case coming
Okay.
up against you,
Okay.
you have been reported several
Okay.
times,
Okay.
and you have been called upon to explain what's your cause. Why is client so and so always having complaint about you?
Okay, which is even inaitwa safety something.
Yes.
Safety. Tunakuanga na data safety, hiyo
Yes.
inaitwa
Data protection either.
data protection, and sasa hiyo ni property safety. So now we move on to my next question.
Yes.
What types of insurance should an adult have? Did we answer that?
I think we captured a bit of it.
We captured a bit of it, so we skip it. Sindio,
No,
tushaijibu.
we can just
Mention.
depending. I'll just expand a bit. If someone has no
Yes.
dependents,
Yes.
they have no responsibility as much, they
Yeah.
can start with the basic one,
Yes.
medical insurance for personal use. If they are not employed somewhere, they don't
They
have
have no
any,
insurance, yeah.
they can start with a basic medical cover.
Yes.
Which means wakienda hospitali, they are not spending any medication, cash on medication. Second one is a personal accident. It's a very basic cover.
Personal accident.
Yes.
If I don't have a car.
No, you use boda boda, you use public means.
Oh, yes.
In case of that,
Yes.
you go to the first thing that you need is medical insurance.
Yeah.
That will treat you in the hospital, because even after any mishap, you'll land in hospital.
Yeah.
They'll ask you, do you have a medical insurance? If you're paying cash, go this way. If you're
Yes.
paying by card, so it isn't your life and makes your life is safe.
Yeah.
And well protected in case of any emergency.
Sure.
Those are emergencies we deal with any day of the life.
Wow.
Yes.
Any other?
Any other. If
Medical.
yes, if you have a responsibility, I would add medical insurance, and then we come back to now. If you have dependents,
Dependent.
something you can add there is more or less you look into the long-term insurance. That is the life insurance.
Life. Okay.
If you have the finances, you need to have a medical or a life insurance and then personal accident, because they play all different roles. Because in case of eventuality again,
Yeah.
your family might be languishing somewhere, but you own properties, maybe you had some good money, but now the insurance will come in terms of life insurance. There's the compensation which comes in bits for your family to navigate as they go
Yeah.
through that transition of losing their loved one
Yes.
to now life resuming to normal.
Yeah.
So if you have a life insurance is divided into many aspects. There's the whole life, which covers you until your last day on
You
earth.
decide to die. Sorry, until you die.
Until your last day on earth.
Yeah.
And then we have the ones that are also, we call them investment or a discipline saving channel.
Yes.
Whereby you just, within your reach,
Yeah.
you decide to put little amount for your future use. This is like a 5-10 year plan whereby I simply put for future use. And then you come to the education, which is commonly known because this one is inbuilt, covers a lot of things, specifically for education.
Yeah.
It protects you as the parent,
Yeah.
and your kids' needs are well catered for in. Because depending on where your kids go to school, you'll decide, I want Brabant, I want international school standard.
Yeah.
So you subscribe to that.
Yeah.
It will help you sustain this goal at maturity.
Yes.
Yes. So now, ikifika
Okay.
that time,
Yeah.
your kid goes to school without you even spending a dime. Just the check and you proceed. Yes.
Yeah. But I've had people complaining.
Yes.
People saying those things are you will pay, contribute, but when it comes to claiming
Yes.
or following up, it becomes harder.
Yes.
And that brings me to my next question of why is it that sometimes before we go to the cumbersome process
Yes.
of getting compensation or what makes some insurance policies get rejected? And before you answer that, let's begin with what are some common mistakes people make when taking these policies?
Common mistakes, I would refer them to the law of contract.
The law.
The law of contract, it has a lot of conditions. Sometimes me, I understand them. But now as a consumer or as an applicant or
Yeah.
the insured in this case, you might not understand all the nitty-gritties there. You'll just say, declare, sign and
sometimes
remove.
we sign, we don't want to read the whole.
These days, we have formed, out of the partners I have on board, when I'm giving you a long-term plan, that is the life assurance aspect or
Yeah.
any other cover that needs a lot of clarification, I'll take you through the nitty-gritties, that the questions that I expect from your side and explain further. Now we have things that people violation of the contract now,
Yeah.
whereby you took a plan going for 10 years.
Yes.
After 1 year,
Or you want
you
to
want
stop
to
it.
quit. That is, you violated the terms and conditions of the
Okay.
insurance. Not that the insurance don't want to pay you.
Okay.
The money is there. You have violated the contract. The only thing that you should do is review the contract, explain yourself, say, I would like to do this plan continuously, but for now, stop it for a while.
Okay.
That is one. Option 2, if it was premium payment, you can adjust
Yeah.
for a more comfortable one and continue.
Premium payment, it's the long term.
Is the long term.
Okay.
Now they adjust. From the actuarials, we can adjust. You are paying, let's say, 50K.
Yes.
And at that point, you can only manage 20. They will adjust. Some will be carried forward
Okay.
for your premiums
Which is good.
to proceed. And then you have the terms and conditions, which actually these days they have enhanced them.
Yeah.
There's something called cash value. It used to be 36 months. Some companies right now, they're doing 24 months for the long-term
24
contracts.
months.
This means your savings or your investment in the insurance long-term contract has acquired what is called cash value. You can surrender that policy. If you can no longer feel you can continue. But before we get there, there is a free look period, 30 days.
Uh-huh.
People normally assume this. When you take a policy,
Yeah.
any policy,
Yes.
and you feel
Okay.
your interests are not captured, your questions are
After
not
signing
well
the contract.
After signing the contract,
Okay.
you've paid the premium, you have been given a policy document.
Yes.
Before the policy document, you've just been notified, we are welcoming you on board
Yes.
for future business. You have a free look of 30 days. The 30 days is a time frame for the insured or the proponent, or in this case, you as the consumer, to look into the cover deeply, chambua, kama kuna mahali usikii vizuri, unaitana the intermediary to explain for you further until you are contented. Ikipita 30 days, that cover is deemed to start.
All right. So I could have signed the contract in a hurry, but I come back and read those things, and then if I realize I'm not in agreement with this,
Yes.
I can actually come and stop it.
You can stop it
And I'm
within
allowed
30 days. You are
without
allowed.
any penalties.
You'll be given your money back
Wow.
immediately.
Nice.
But if it proceeds to the second month,
Yes.
it is deemed to start.
And
Now, if you
therefore,
come to
the
claim
contract is on.
is on and running, the only thing now you can just now discontinue. You can discontinue. You can write a letter to stop it now officially. But now you forgo the money.
So the money disappears like that.
Yes, but if you do it in 30 days, you have your money.
Can I ask a cheeky question?
Yes.
I've paid for 1 year.
Yes.
I've decided to discontinue.
Yes.
Where does that money go?
This money,
Yes. I won't be given back. Sawa, the contract has said so.
Yes.
Where does it go?
this money is like it is under the insurance. It's now it's you'll forgo because the 30 days expired. Now the insurance retains this money until another day you come again, because this money is not gone until this contract is ended. If it is going for 10 years,
Okay. Oh.
you feel like, I left my 300k per year.
Yes.
I need to go back there. The insurance does that until this money
The
term. The contract, if you said 11
Yeah.
years, within the 11 years, you still come back
Oh, really?
and pay the arrears, proceed, you get your maturity. Or you
The
pay.
arrears of 10 years.
Now that is now why
Yeah.
there is the aspect whereby if you have gone for 36 months,
Yes.
the cash value has been reached. Kumaanisha this policy can start loaning itself to maturity.
Okay.
To maturity means you'll be called upon. We have you are 200,000.
Yes.
Unajiuliza hii ilitoka wapi? The policy was loaning itself and paying itself to maturity.
Okay.
That's the importance of a cash value.
Wow. And then I get the money.
You
if I
get
want.
yes, you get your pay. Now it's not the output actually what you projected,
Okay.
but now because it was learning itself,
Yes.
the bonuses were eating themselves, the interest were eating themselves.
Okay.
You'll
I
get
see.
a penny from that.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay. And my second question was, you've answered my second question, why they get rejected. No, it was, sorry. My first question was, why do insurance claims get rejected? Then number two, what mistakes do we do? So the first mistake you said there clearly is we don't read, we don't follow instructions, we don't understand it. We assume.
I will define it in major aspects. They are, because insurance is wide. We have 3 dimensions. If I look it in terms of medical, it's totally different from how I look it in life.
Okay, yeah.
Totally different from how I look in motor insurance. Motor insurance also operates on its own terms and conditions. Then general insurance, this is non-motor, which also operates differently.
Wow, we need to create time and come and discuss all that.
So,
Yeah.
I'll just put in a nutshell.
Yes.
Life insurance operates on a free look. That is their major benefit. Free look period, that is of 30 days. That's and then cash value, a benefit. And then what mistakes people make in life insurance, Anna, is more or less violating the contract.
Yeah.
That is why now you find it. You subscribe for a 10 years or a 5 years. You want your money after first year.
That one is rejected.
It's painful. It's painful. That claim will be rejected. But there's how you can negotiate and come back, pay the arrears. Your policy gets a cash value. You're given up to 90% of what you have said.
What about the delays? We've heard of delay when you follow up. And especially retirees, at some point they die without getting their
Yes. Now,
benefits.
that one, it's out of this, but I will expand to this.
Okay.
We used to have a fund, that is
Yeah.
the NSSF, but after the enactment in 2013, we had now a pension. We have now a pension, whereby all the retirees, they had the Tier 1. Those days it was Tier 1 SSF basic one, which we had deducted about 200, 300 shillings.
Yes.
For a period of 30 years, ukitoka kule, you have very few coins to sustain that economy. So the government enacted a bill that is in 2013, which came as a long journey since 2013 all the way to February this year.
Wow.
Now it became now official. We came with the Tier 2, which actually is now, the Tier 1 is managed by government. Tier 2, they proposed it to be managed by private bankers, banking facilities, or financial reputable or insurance company, which I see the insurance has the best hand to handle them in terms of asset and solvency. With the insurance industry, we are good. So what comes to your question is the delays come in proportionately in aspect documentation. When you are approaching retirement, you should start this paperwork early, 3 or 4 months earlier, which actually these days, from the guidelines we have, at retirement, you were given a third of your pensions.
At retirement,
Upon accumulation, everything,
yeah,
you are told to buy, by government law, you are told to buy an annuity or income drawdown, which is now money that will sustain you monthly.
Okay.
You buy them. You are given a quotation, you buy, you want for 5 years, 10 years. You are given this money.
Then you give it to insurance. You're buying the annuity.
Now the insurance will process everything, paperwork.
Yeah.
The money comes in, you are given a third. The 2/3 is for annuities and income drawdown, which actually now it's your own suite.
Wow.
You buy whatever you want, or
with their third.
With their third. With the 2/3.
Okay. In terms of insurance, you buy whatever you want.
Whatever you want. You can decide for an annuity or income drawdown, which is now every month you need a portion, like something that keeps you going.
Wow. Okay. Then we move on and look at young people today. We have the Gen Alpha coming up, but we have the Gen Z at the moment who feel like, who depend fully on their parents, most of them.
Yes.
Do you think they also need insurance as their own responsibility, not ile ya kuchukuliwa na mzazi? As a young person, some have already started working. Yes,
at personal level, I've engaged with numerous Gen Zs, and we have engaged in, we have products for them.
Yes.
Basically, they are saving a 500 bob monthly.
So very
that
convenient.
Badaya Campo, we call it Badaya Campo.
Yes.
Because after all, after campus, your responsibility starts there.
Okay.
As a Gen Z, yes, because it's Gen Z's a stage.
So wait a minute, 500 they contribute now. After campus, they can benefit, use it.
Exactly.
Or
this is money that you can take after campus. When they get into college, it's a 4 years, but it's a plan for 5 years. So after campus, 5 years, this policy has matured. The money that you are getting,
that's so beautiful,
is getting you to get started. If it's a rental house, you want to start buying your own stuff, you want to be independent.
Yes.
500 is not big deal.
Does it have an age limit?
It's for more or less students, because
it's for students.
Primary underwriting will ask, are you in school? Yes.
Okay. And do we have evidence? Because what if I pretend I'm in campus and I'm already working, but I want the 500 after those years I can treat myself for vacation?
I will ask you a student ID.
I have to provide that one. Okay. Sinaenda River Road.
We have ways to check
know.
That. Yes.
Okay. And one of the policies, is it policies with the insurances you have, must be honest.
Yes.
If you find that I lied, my money goes.
No, basically, for the, pardon again?
If I start contributing, I enter into a contract, and then a year or 2 years down into it, you find I give false information somehow.
Yes.
Will I be punished for that?
Sometimes it can be treated as a fraud. Yes, because there's also, the insurance has modalities to identify fraud, because at one aspect you will come for a claim in life, and then this policy at inception, you said you are a banker, but you are doing different occupation. Like most we have experienced for the personal accident. A client tells you, I want a personal accident. You don't know what they're doing, because it's basically on a call, WhatsApp, email, amekutumia all the documents.
Details,
You cannot preempt is a border rider. Then 3 months down the line is in an accident. There's a claim, because personal accident is paid on reimbursements.
Yeah.
The personal accident they took was for student because it's cheap instead of taking the one for professional, because boda rider, they have to, there's a disc we loading disc whereby occupation and the loading disc go one in hand.
Yes.
Drivers, pilots, they have different army officers, they have different category as opposed to someone who works in office, who gets to office at 8,
Yes.
gets to at 5. They are different. Yes. So
Wow.
there's a fraud detection point.
Wow. We need to be very careful.
Yes.
Okay. All right. There are people who are called freelancers.
Yes.
We also have entrepreneurs.
Yes.
Maybe I own a hotel like this one,
Yes.
etc. Do they also need this insurance product, and which ones? Maybe two?
Yes. Insurance, for a freelancer, for a
Freelancer,
start,
yes.
this someone who's doing his biz and gets back home.
Yes.
They can either they're using a machine somewhere, either if it's a laptop, that is a valuable property. If it's a phone, there is a valuable property. If it's a camera, there is a valuable property. So under this, a freelancer might need a domestic cover and a personal accident. That is from my recommendation aspect, because they move from point A to point B. In terms of any theft, they can insure their machines, whatever enables them to do their activity, wherever they are. That is a domestic and personal accident. Now for an entrepreneur, a premise owner, you need to have something called fire and burglary. It's most common.
Fire, when there is, in case there is a fire outbreak.
Yes.
Burglary.
And employer's liability. Employer's liability. Employer.
Okay.
If anything happens within your premise,
Yes.
your employee can sue you
Okay.
and say, I was hurt when I was at your place discharging work.
Okay.
If you don't have things like WIBA, which is an act of parliament from 2007, you have a lot of bills to pay, because an employee can take you to court based on occupational health therapy, based on they are discharging their work, they sleep and broke their arms.
But what if I was walking carelessly and I fall and broke my arm? You mean I can sue my employer?
Yes.
And I get compensated?
There is this aspect we call, I will define it, is general insurance, non-motor. It's called WIBA. It's Workers' Injury Benefit Authority Act of 2007.
Wow. The
government recommended this risk to be transferred from the employer to the insurance.
Okay.
They came with this enactment, which is very pivotal for an employer.
Yeah.
In case of any injury with approximate cause at place of work, there is WIBA. Your employer, it depends with how they love you and value you.
Oh.
If they don't value sana, they give you 12 hours. If they value you too much, they give you 24 at additional premiums. 12
hours, assuming I'm at work for 12 hours.
Home and at work.
Oh, so even when I get injured at home, my employer is in. Oh, okay. I thought it was only at the workplace.
You remember the scenario of the guy who was burned in a kiln in Ruiru? There were still melting factory, something in Ruiru.
No.
There's a guy that was burnt to, the only thing they found was a tooth.
Oh.
Yes. He was a casual worker, laborer. Okay. Actually, I saw the company that insured the factory. They were reaching to a conclusion of about 500K. This is based on your salary. WIBA is calculated based on your employee salary. That's why you get, WIBA is the most taken cover for serious employers, because it's lots of money.
Okay.
In terms of remuneration to the lowest one.
To your dependents. But now you are not enjoying. No,
you are not enjoying. But he or she was the provider.
So yes. he was compensated.
He was compensated.
500,000.
Now it might not be equated to life, but it depends with your profession. If you are a lawyer, and maybe you are employee or judge in this case, maybe top earning government entities, or you are in that organization, you are the people who make decisions, and you are earning higher.
Yes.
Your WIBA rates will always be very higher, and the remuneration is always up to 8 months, 9 years.
Wow.
Your salary annualized
for 9 years.
For 9 years, they pay you ahead.
Wow, that's really nice. Huh?
96
we don't
months.
know that. Huh?
96 months.
People should know. Why are you not creating this information? Why are you not sharing the information so that people know?
Insurance is wide.
Yes.
Some of them we engage by employer. The employer sometimes gives you a small talk, but now information is wide. In terms of insurance, it is wide.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, what is the saddest or the most surprising case you've ever encountered? Saddest, or it really took you by shock?
In terms of, I'll give you 3 aspects.
Okay.
Saddest is one of them is I had a client we met in some of my top clients.
Yes.
I'll send a shout out to the families. Maybe in terms of they can reach me if they knew their person was having insurance. They can reach out.
Oh, the person is not there.
I'm not really aware if he's not there, but from the information I'll share.
Yeah.
I had a client in 2017. He comes from Mumia, somewhere there. They took a policy that was running for 11 years, was to mature in 2025, around 2025, some in 2029, long term. They pay up their premiums. They've accumulated almost $500,000 there. We used to meet at TRM sometimes. He used to have a business. So, in a nutshell, sometimes we tunapoteana during COVID.
Yes.
Tulipoteana like 2 months, 3 months.
Yeah.
When I called the numbers, I couldn't reach them. I called 2 numbers. One is in Samburu, one is in Narok. The 2 numbers, all of them, not owned by the same person.
They are functioning, but not the person.
That was the saddest moment ever. I've never recovered from that in the life aspect business.
Yeah.
That was
so until now you don't know where they went.
Until now I can't really tell. I see the portfolio plus everything, but I can't reach him.
But Harold,
I have an email. If you send an email to someone who is not existing, no one can read.
What
And
about
then
the next of kin?
There came the data protection limits me on where to reach.
Okay.
I'm the one who found this client
Yes.
and gave them a policy to the
which is
company.
good.
So the company can only trace by third-party entity, either an advocate or through maybe DCIs or some. This money is returned to Unclaimed Assets Authority, unfortunately.
Wow.
That was the saddest one in life assurance.
Okay.
That's why we always inquire about where our clients live, how they are doing, how their family, next of kin, beneficiaries, and any other information that they feel free for me to know, so that in case of anything happens, they always feel free to reach me.
But now, Harold, I have a question. This is your client
Yes.
who disappeared. You
Yes.
don't know where they are.
Yes.
You also have the contact of the next of kin.
Yes.
And you want to reach out to find out where this person went, or in case he's no longer there, tell the family, hey, there is this package he left that we can give it to you, which I feel it's something positive.
Yes.
Even that one is under data protection.
Data protection is very categorical.
Okay.
It is now the company's initiative to follow up.
Okay. All right. Any other saddest moment?
Any other saddest moment is
Yes.
when a client gets to an hospital that is under medical insurance, and unfortunately they expected the bill to be sorted by insurance as a whole.
Yeah.
The conditions they are experiencing is capped to a certain level.
Yeah.
They feel like you're cheated, but it's not cheated. It's more or less the insurance also sometimes need to have the aspect of human heart. They decline. They tell the client to pay a half.
Yes.
And the full
Thank you
premiums
for
were fully
bringing up
paid
that.
on time. The cover is running. So the client remains like, but I paid my premiums.
Yes.
Now the insurance opens for you the books. They say, we'll pay up to a sublimit of this amount.
Yes, meet
Yes.
the rest.
Meet
Because
the
I have a friend who had a sick baby.
Yes.
And insurance was supposed to pay, and the baby was taken into ICU. And you
Yes.
see, ICU, the money accumulates very fast,
fast.
day after day.
Yes.
Then at the time of need, insurance comes up and says, this condition, we can no longer cover it. or we can only cover up to this amount, which is even way less
Yes.
than what you expected.
Exactly.
So this person is left frustrated to an extent of now going to sell a piece of land or to sell their car to come and meet the cost. So the question is, why did I even get there in the first place? I should have bought land, kept it somewhere for selling, ready for selling. I'll sell it during that, you know.
I will explain to you in a nutshell. Insurance, in terms of general insurance and motor and medical, how they work,
Yeah.
the premiums, literally what you are paying cannot be equated to the amount of service you are going to enjoy in terms of that cover benefit. Let's say, on my case, Richard, I approached company A to give me a medical insurance for 2 million,
Yes.
and I want it loaded comprehensively
Yeah.
with the maternity, dental, optical, everything.
Okay.
I'll be given a quote. Let's
Okay.
say, Richard, you'll pay 100,000.
Yes.
But my cover output, the cover output is what is covered when I go for checkup.
Yeah.
It is under outpatient. When I go for dental, it's under
Dental,
dental
ni
optical.
comprehensive, ama?
It's now comprehensive medical.
Yes.
Because it covers you. You don't need even to pay anything. You just check in, they take your thumbprint, they check how you exist,
Yes.
they proceed to medication.
Yeah.
So in that case, I will equate it the insurance aspect whereby I will be paying, this is the premium I'm paying, but the cover I'm enjoying is more or less like this.
Wow.
That's how insurance works.
You guys, you need to tell us before so that we know. Because to avoid those shock, some of us don't have shock absorbers.
That is why, as an intermediary, me as Richard Harold, I will always liaise with you, give you the nitty-gritties, and we equate the solution I'm providing. If it's adequate for your cover, we'll proceed. If you don't see it's adequate, I will look for option 2, option 3. I always give option 1, 2, 3 for my clients, so that we are making a decision based on the solution you are giving.
Yeah.
This covers, this covers, this is covered, this is covered, this is covered, and what benefit?
Yes.
Yes, because
Now,
I can give you a medical cover, basically a medical cover.
Yes.
You walk into an hospital, you are told, we cannot treat you.
Wow.
You feel cheated. Honestly, you'll feel cheated.
And sometimes you have
the
nothing
next time
in your pocket.
on my call.
Yes. You have been in this thing for 10 years.
Yes.
Anyone's success story and you look back and you feel proud of, you know, maybe a client somewhere who you walked the journey with and you saw them being compensated and you were so happy about it.
I would have a whole video for this, but I will brush it with few.
Yes.
Like for the medical aspect, the life aspect, and the motor aspect, the non-motor. Mostly non-motor, we don't get claims as so.
Okay.
Because these are short-term business. Someone is traveling to Uganda for 3 days. They, in a nutshell, 10K ishaenda hiyo, there's no claim. In case of them, there's loss of luggage. Those ones, rarely we do experience claims on non-motor.
Yeah.
When we come to motor insurance, I think I've compensated so many clients to a tune of, I would put it on the lower side, 10 million.
Ooh. Vehicle accident, they come get compensated.
Accidents. Say I can see Harrier is losing their front bumper, front grille every now and then. That's a claim.
Okay.
It's theft.
Oh, it's
It's
stolen.
Theft. It's stolen. It's under theft. So, in a nutshell, claims have reported and claims have paid are numerous.
And
the clients have worked with satisfaction because
they are happy.
They are happy. Either we process for you a cash in lieu, whereby you just want the money to repair your car because maybe someone is off time.
Okay.
Time is a factor because insurance time frame for a claim was initially 60 days, but in IRA enacted it to be 30 days time frame. If it has not been sorted, nothing has gone. Manisha, there's someone sleeping somewhere.
Okay.
So mostly the insurance company, what they do, from your intermediary aspect, it is the fast tracking of information. There's an accident on 15th, I was hit. Yes, give me the photos. We do application form, get the abstract. I'll highlight what I need for a claim to be processed within the first week. So that now the second week we are moving from garage back to your car.
Wow.
Because if it's a small claim, some takes even 2 days. It's just fitting and then it's done. Then in life, I've paid maturities, numerous. Even this month I'm paying 2. I'm paying two maturities. Hapa tu.
Where?
We started the journey when this guy was working in
how many years?
Yemen. 6 years. Was working in Yemen. Time flies. So he started the plan in February. February 2019. The plan matured in March this year. He's been notified. He's very happy. He's expecting.
I tell you.
Currently, we are processing documents for the maturity.
It's the best news you can ever get.
In terms of insurance, long-term and short-term and medical,
yes,
the claim is different depending on claims for insurance. For medical, majorly you are at the hospital.
Okay.
You call me. We do something called pre-auth, whereby we connect you to the customer care and the sled. You are told, get into the facility. No paying cash.
Wow.
That's how it works. Because medical, necessarily you are not given money unless it's something you paid via cash and you are not to pay. You are paid and you need this rebate. But for motor, you can be given cash or you decide, repair the car.
Another tricky question.
Yes.
If I'm working somewhere and my employer has insured me,
yes,
and my cover is 1 million,
yes,
there is no way I can come to you,
yes,
tusikizane unipatie hiyo 1 million nikugawie cash.
No. The insurance, from the medical aspect, they've pre-negotiated with the medical facilities best rates, so that the 1 million exists in terms of benefit to you, but it is no longer in cash.
Okay. But were you given the cash?
You paid consummatively a small amount.
Oh.
Like an example I gave, I would use this cup with this book. One is big, one is small.
Yes.
This is the premium you pay, this is the insurance cover benefit.
So for instance, we are a team of employees, we are 30. And then we are told our cover each is 1 million. So roughly approximating how much could the employer have paid for the 30 people? For
that's sometimes there's SME rates, small medium enterprises rates, and then there's corporate rate. If it's a corporate, small corporate, there's negotiation. You can find your employer spent all in terms of millions, either 3-4 million, for you to enjoy that cover for 30 people. Because this money comes in wholesome, the insurance now feels we can take this cover.
Okay.
Yes.
I see. I feel I'm done, but I have some quick fire questions. Dogo too. But before I get to the quick fire questions,
yes,
maybe something you feel, you as Harold, you really feel you want to share. Yes. Now this is your time.
Oh, there are a lot. There's a lot.
Okay.
If I would start with general insurance. General insurance is something that has not been taken well.
Generally.
Okay, generally, insurance has not been taken well.
Yeah.
From the bad names that used to exist priorly before we existed in the industry.
Yeah.
Currently, I would urge every Kenyan to get a knowledge of insurance, because our penetrations are below, way much below the penetration in an averagely. Because if South Africa is doing at 10, some other countries in West Africa are doing 9, 8.
Where are we?
We are at 3%.
Oh.
3% of 44 or 54 million. Calculate the figures.
Quite low.
And then from the KNSBS data, Kenya Bureau of Statistics, they have a lot of insights that about 15 million Kenyans wanaguza pesa. And this translates to a report that I got the other day. Last year, the growth of insurance in terms of premium collection rose from 275 billion to 295 billion.
Oh, okay.
That means there was an uptake in insurance, penetration increased in terms of coverage. People are trying to understand what is insurance, because now this is conflicting, or energizing factor on this is the SHA. The government is talking about the SHA, the insurance aspect of everything. So when someone gets down to listen to an insurance person, anamuuliza maswali, what of if I have SHA?
Yeah.
SHA is government owned, just like a basic cover. This is now private insurance whereby you can now go to any premier hospital for medication. If you need to go to India, you can use your medical insurance. So those are things that at least I feel the public should always have that knowledge about insurance generally in terms of coverage, benefits, and the authentication of what they are consuming. And if the company exists, because nowadays the IRA makes sure that if the company is below the solvency law, it is cut off, it's discontinued, deregistered, or closed down.
And what happens to people's monies?
There is a policyholders compensation fund.
Okay.
There's out of the premium you pay, I think there's 40 shillings, 0.45% of amount you pay goes to PHCF, Policyholders Compensation Fund. This money, in case that company goes down, if for a long term, they love to pay you, remunerate you, the amount you are claiming from that company.
Okay, wow.
If it's short term as well, that's how the structures currently work. Wow. So, history ya watu kusema wamekula pesa yangu, tuache kelele. Tuache kelele. Insurance has your money, and if it is not, if it is in due diligence, if the insurance has noticed they have your money and you are not available, they'll refer it to Unclaimed Assets Authority. Okay. UFA, it's called UFA, based in Westlands. So, as a consumer, always check your name. By keying your ID, you can key your name from the website of UFA to confirm if there is an asset of your person is submitted there. Please repeat that again. What I always refer, anybody with someone who had a dependent and they cannot trace their assets, recovered, anything that they initially they suspect they owned. In terms of monetary, you can key in the ID of the person at the website. You can always verify. They'll communicate to you to bring the documents.
Wow. In any cyber, or I have to come to insurance offices?
You can no. This is now outside online. Insurance. You can do online. Okay. Yes. Unclaimed Assets Authority.
Wow. All right.
Si pesa zimeibwa peke yake. Hii ni assets. Anything that someone is no longer available is no longer in the picture. And you want to know.
If assuming my mom was working and was covered, kuna hiyo NSSF, malipo ya uzeeni definitely. At the time of retire, they get given back their money. Their third, that one is given to them. And sadly, no, it's not given to them, just about to be given to them. Then sadly, they pass on. So do you reach out to the beneficiaries and give them that money? Ama you inaisha, inapotea?
No, there's no money lost. So even the NSSF, NSSF, mostly the first place you start from is Bima House. Bima House is in town. You always have your parents' documentation. You can go in there by staff number, TSC number, annex of Jogo House. By TSC number, you can get their payroll number. If you go to these buildings, they'll tell you, it has not, it passed on, sorry. They'll now you'll start the process. There is this called succession. You have to nominate as a family. If you are one person, you'll prove that you are the daughter or you are the son. If the spouse is no longer there, there's a lot of legal procedures to protect this money going to the right person. So mostly they'll always advise you, give us this information. You provide, they start giving the process a good positive side.
Wow. So today you are assuring us that no money is lost. Insurance is not out to take people's money.
No insurance can take your money. That is for a fact, for sure. But the industry that I've been in for the last 10 years now, all my clients, none tumekosana based on walikula pesa yangu. If it is a claim ya moto, Richard, nimegongwa wapi? Send me the pictures. Tomorrow we are doing a claim form. Processed. The aspect that now people also have, under the motor insurance is this is a general consumption knowledge. Motor insurance is complex. Motor insurance is complex in a nutshell. If you have a third party, you have only insured properties and any other third parties. Your car is, if it's write off, is done. Your life is not insured in a third party. That's why you need a personal accident if you own a motor vehicle.
Okay.
Primarily.
So in that case you take two. Kuna ya gari na kuna yako.
Yako. Your occupants, you are driving down the hill.
Yes.
Your occupants, you don't know them. Umewabeba tu, you are going, una drop to. They are covered in the insurance.
Okay.
Under
that you're the one who is paying for it.
Yeah, you are the one who is paying for it, but you are not covered. You, as the owner of the vehicle.
Okay.
So, primarily, I will advise any Kenyan who own a car.
Yes, any Kenyan who owns a car.
Look for a personal accident.
Okay.
Basically, from whatever you do, wachana na employer, this is on your side arrangement. Have your personal accident. It will cater for a lot of things because it has benefits in terms of remuneration, medical evacuation, emergencies. It has all that. But they are always on rebate.
Wow.
They are always on rebate. Ile pesa umetumia, provide receipts, the facility on when you used them. They'll pay back. Unarudishwa.
Which is good. There are a lot of transparency there.
That's transparency is what you are trying to put in line.
Wow. Okay. Any other thing? Ama nianze rapid questions zangu.
For now, we'll prepare a lot of detailed information on insurance as we go down.
Sure.
Yes.
I would love to have that because my main aim is to educate, pass information, etc. Yes. And you're here on behalf of your company or you're just here on behalf of the people, educating people?
Now, on behalf of Richbat Insurance Agency.
Richbat.
Yes, Richbat Insurance Agency. We offer insurance in all aspects.
Yes.
Motor insurance, medical insurance, life, long-term insurance, group, medical insurance, non-motor insurance. At the comfort of your home. Yes, just a phone call away. We'll always reach you instantly.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh, okay. My quick fire questions, the rapid fire segment. They're just 5, very simple to answer. So number 1, one insurance myth.
Hey.
If you want me to pass, sema pass.
No. For the myths, most of people believe they can always sustain their life.
Okay. Sure.
But it's not that easy. You're just one minute away from wiping everything that you'd have protected with the insurance. Transfer the risk to insurance. The myth will be gone.
Life happens.
Life happens.
Okay.
Yes.
Number 2, most ignored insurance cover.
Most ignored. At least the insurance for, I would say, no, locally, is there anyone that is ignored? Out of my years of practice, depending on the need.
The one that is least taken.
That's why we are struggling to get motor insurance penetration. We call it personal accident.
Okay.
That is the most ignored.
Wait, so I can insure my car, but mimi siko insured?
Yes, you are not insured.
So I should take 2 of them, but that will be expensive.
No, these days you are enhancing. For the motor, we tell you are covered under personal accident as well. It's a rider, optional, but someone will feel like, I need it, different entity.
The package to be big.
Yes.
All right, so you are encouraging people to take personal cover.
Personal is, it's
Number
called
3.
Personal accident.
Personal accident.
Yes, accident.
Number 3.
Yes.
And I like that part you said, Ati, you in life you're always 1 minute away from
wiping all your savings, all your earnings,
things that you have worked for. Yes.
Instead of just protecting them with a small premium.
Yes.
It's called risk transfer.
Wow. Number 3. Biggest financial mistake young people make.
I would define it by YOLO.
Oh, okay.
You know what it means?
No.
You only live once.
Oh, you only live once.
God is the giver of the life
But that's it. I live once. Why would you want me to keep money? Let me use my money, eat it, finish it. Why do you want me to insure property?
I would give a scenario.
Yeah.
A car is insured. You walk to Toyota Kenya, buys your 3 million car, pay it cash, and take it on the road.
Yes.
You need an insurance. If this thing is hit, even tomorrow, because you have bought a new car, you don't expect kesho unatoka. Accidents is something we cannot predetermine. Yeah. Life is an accident. Sometimes they happen. Once you have money, use the money to give you that premium aspect of life.
Okay.
Insurance just takes a little. Yes.
Best advice before taking a policy?
Best advice, ask questions. From the inception, ask questions.
Ask questions.
When proceeding, ask questions. Before maturity, ask questions. Always ask questions, and then make sure you understand the contractual law you are getting into, the terms and conditions. That is where before you do the declaration point, ask questions and then get the nitty-gritties, the bad side of, they call terms and conditions.
Yes.
If I don't do this, what will happen? If I do this, what will happen? Let that be answered. When you are satisfied, you are good to go.
Information is power.
Information is power. Always ask questions.
Finally, cash savings or insurance first?
I will go for insurance savings. I will go for insurance savings in a nutshell. Not even thinking, not that I'm in the insurance industry, because these are disciplined savings. If I tell you, if I give you an example, someone earning 3 million or 200,000 in every month, their monthly pay, if it's on the lowest side, is around 140,000 take home. After tax, everything, share shift, housing levy, metolewa, kila kitu. This person has, let's say 130 or 120, whatever amount. Then this person, after 1 year, if they are saving 20K, they'll be, let's say, at 240,000. If they are not at 240,000,
1 year after
1 year after this employment, they are not disciplined savers. Because the insurance aspect, the 120 umebaki now, you take a 20, it is kept in those boxes that we have that you only break ukija. But now this is disciplined until 24 months, until 1 year, until 3 years, until 4 years. You took a period of 5 years. You'll have walked with the journey 5 years. So after 5 years, I'll be giving you $1 million. It makes sense.
Wow. Cash.
Now I'm bringing the cash that you are doing 2020 plus other benefits. Because the cash, sometimes people are tempted. I can't suffer like this. I have 3 million there, but withdraw.
Yes, because we save to help us at times of difficulty.
You are fixed at a point. The only thing you are seeing is the savings at your bank. So for the insurance is disciplined savings. That is benefit number one. Benefit number two, it offers you additional benefits of insurance, whereby you've transferred the risk of your life as a liability to the insurance company. In case of anything, the bank's contract inaisha nyakati ume withdraw imebaki 0-0.
Yes, exactly.
They'll even be asking you, can we close the account?
Oh, wow. So to our viewers, that marks the end of our conversation today. Tumeambiwa tukaambiwa, we have been taught. We hope that we shall use the information to benefit us. Let's plan. Harold here has come to generously share information, not to market his company, by the way.
Yes.
You could have heard of you people, come, I assure you. No. But after sharing all this, I feel like he is here. He has assured us that he is a licensed person. Why not try him? Probably you are there. You are an organization, a company, an individual, and you've been thinking of, I need insurance, but I'm not really sure. Namba yake ndio hiyo iko hapo chini kwa video. Call him, reach out direct to the expert, and he will guide you. He has said the first thing we need to do, the mistakes we do, is we act first, we don't seek information. So reach out to him, find out more, get to understand, and if you're good to go, plan your life. Until next time, bye bye. But then again, we wish to ask you to continue subscribing, share our content. Let us grow our community to the levels that we want. Kuna kitu nataka kumalizia kusema?
No, my shout out to everyone in Kenya. Currently, I would talk about the risk aspect of what we engages in daily lives. Engage with your intermediary. If you can reach me, please feel free to reach me. I'll be at liberty to serve you at any point. Yes, be it a claim, be it something advice you need, be it an existing policy you need to call about how it goes. I will be ready to assist you in all aspects. Yes, that's all.
Thank you and bye bye. Until next time, see you. We love you.